Hi, this is Marcia. Welcome to A Plan with Me for the month of July. So let me show you my layout that I'm going to be using for my monthly planner, my weekly, daily planner. So what I do is I have a composition book that I altered, and I have a video that shows you how to do that. I walk you through the whole thing, and I even put a pocket in the back of it, 2 pockets. So check out that video from my video list. All you have to do is go up to the top of the page, click on videos, and you will be able to go through and find the altered composition book video, step by step, showing you how to do it. And this planner will last me 2.5 years. So I started this one July of 2020. As you can see here, and here we are, July 2021, and then I'll be able to, well, maybe 2 years, I'll be able to go through. So here's what I have left. So I need 2 pages, so it'll be August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so a year and a half. All right, a year and a half. So that's pretty good. Now, composition books are used to be pretty reasonable. I don't know if you can actually go into the store anymore, back to school specials, and find them at a really good price, like $1, somewhere around there. But I have not been able to find any locally. I think they were $4 at my Walmart. So we wound up purchasing these. I think my husband did get me a couple of them there. But you have to glue the pages together to give you stability. So I show you how to do that in that video. It's very easy. You just use a glue stick, and I like to use the Scotch Permanent glue stick. It's the 0.28 ounce. You can pick up a case of 24 on Amazon for a really good price. So that's what I would recommend. So what I did and how I do mine is, let me flip back over here. Okay, so this was my June layout. So I use markers, and then I come in with stickers, and I fill in my month, and then I write the days of the week, and then I come in and put the dates, and I do a month, weekly planner, monthly planner, then I do a food menu, food tracker. So I do a rotation diet, so I have my menus always the same, and it's always laid out. It just rotates. So I have a whole video about that on my channel, Sunshine Homemaker. I'll link that in the description below. So if you're anybody with food allergies or sensitivities, you'll be able to check it out on that channel. So here we are in July. So what I did is I used washi as a border all the way around the page. I came in with my markers, put the month, put the days of the week, came in with the dates, and I give myself 4 spaces in between each row. But then when you get down here to the bottom, there's only 3. But that's okay, because I know with my activities, I know I don't need a lot of room for that. So my menu, I do know I need 4 rows on each line for each week. So I start at the top above the first line. So I put my date calendar line starts here, and then I start counting the 4 dates out so that I know I'll have 5 rows with 4 lines each. So that's what we have here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carried me through the whole month with 31 days. And so now, like, say for instance, if the first would have started here or here, then I would have had to carry over a couple of the days. So then I might have to go to another page or shift it. Let me see if I can look back through the months here and show you. Okay, so the first started here, and yeah, that's what I had to do. So then for the month of May, I had to actually flip over, and on June's calendar, I just ended May's on the June calendar and then started up. So that's, you know, you don't have to skip a whole month's layout just because of that. But that's the only change that you would have to do. So this is my calendar page, my planner, but this is my food tracker planner. So I have my like life planner is what we could call this whole monthly thing, and then we have the food meal tracker planner, which is what is right here. So like I said, mine is so super simple that I don't have to worry about it. And I do put in stickers, as you saw, for this month. And I've ordered some, and the shop that I like to use that I get mine from on Etsy is called Busy Bee Planners. So I'm not going to link it, but I'll show you the name here. So Busy Bee Planners. She's in Canada, and she offers sales several times a year, so you can check out her shop. And if you follow her on Instagram, then that's when you'll be able to know when she offers the sale. And I just purchased all mine at 25% off, and then I think if you buy $35 in the US, you get free shipping. And I'm not sure if that applies because she's in Canada, like I said. If in Canada, I don't know how that works, but I got it as a US resident, so that's interesting. So I know for me in the United States, I have 2 Etsy shops, and I offer the $35 on free shipping, but it only applies to U.S. citizens. It doesn't apply to international, obviously. Okay, so that's quick and easy how I do my layouts. It's not difficult. So I hope you'll give this a try. Just pick up a composition book. Watch my video on how to decorate it so it's really, really pretty. And then I also use these little cute page tabs. So what I did was I took a little, I got this as a freebie actually from somebody's Facebook group. And then I made Linda Israel she's in our Facebook group, Junk Journal Junction, and she had posted a couple of free things in there. And so what I did was I printed them out, and then I laminated them so that it gives it stability. And then I come in and put it here on the side. So then all I need to do is just glue a little bit right here. And then I put a little bit, like, half across the circle. I thought I got a big glob of it somewhere. Ask me how that happened. Okay, and then now I have my page tabs. So when the book is closed and I'm ready to come in here, I know just go to the last tab, open it up. These I made just from my scallop circle punch, and then I just folded them over. So you can make them a variety of ways. Real fun to do. So I hadn't added one on in a while, so I said, no, I'm going to add it on. So since I laminated the top of that, which was a good thing, so now I can wipe that blob of glue that got on there off, so that's not going to stick. All right, so then when I turn it now, I will be able to get to, and I don't have to glue something to the back of it. I did on these because it was just, it was just paper. I glued them to a piece of cardstock, and then I glued the paper on both sides to it, but it doesn't really matter. And then for my August, which will be here, so I'll probably, let's see how that was going to lay. Yeah, okay. So I'll go up here to the top, and then I'll just add a little bit of the glue here. And you have to keep these lids on it, snap it, because otherwise they do dry out. All right, so we'll put that there. So then when it's closed, and I love changing up the color. So you see here I started off with this style, and then I did put in this one, and then I went to the purple, and then now to this pretty teal and blue. So I will come in here now and I'll fill in my food menu, and then that will take care of that, and it's all done. So I hope you enjoyed this. It was a quick little video, help you to plan your own monthly spread, and if you do a menu, trust me, it's so much easier if you write out your menu for the month. And of course, if you have food allergies or sensitivities and you need to rotate your menu, your meals like I do, then it's a must, and it will make a huge difference in your life. So, but if otherwise, if you don't have to worry about what you eat, in that sense, then, you know, but meal planning is still a huge benefit, and I would say give it a try for a month. And what I have to do every morning is I do go over and or the night before, and I look at my menu and I say, okay, what am I supposed to have for breakfast? And then I look at that and I say, okay, and then I know what I'm gonna have, and then throughout the day then I just go and look, and because it's, you know, repeats all the time, so I know certain days I have this for breakfast and I have that for lunch and I have this for dinner. So, and then it's like, okay, well, if I had that the day before, oh yeah, tomorrow. So eventually it does start to sink in, but sometimes it's still like, no, I don't know what I'm supposed to eat. Let me go look. So that's why keeping a meal tracker planner is so important, because you can go look and say, oh, I did eat that yesterday. So you don't eat the same thing again, and saves your health and gives you some variety. So Monday will be the next video. It'll be all about organizing. So I share organizing tips and ideas of what I do in my own craft room to keep it tidy. And as you can see, my desk is pretty tidy right now. I just got out the markers, and I have the washi tape to put this out here, but I already put that away. And Tuesday is our altered paper clips challenge video. And then I'm going to be adding in a new series all about what is a smash book and how to use one, and art journaling. So we're going to combine with our junk journals, art journaling, and then I'm just going to show you what a smash book is so that you can decide if you would like to use one of those or pick one of those up, and or you know, make one, and I'll show you how to make one. So I have one that's store-bought, and then I'm going to show you how to make one of your own, and then it's so easy, but it kind of gives us a different something different than just the same old junk journal style. I like variety. I'm a variety person. So I hope you'll tune in for that, and if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel. Hit the little like button, the bell, and leave me a comment and let me know what you learned from this video, and if you are going to give it a try with, meal tracking and having your monthly layout like this. And this is something it's affordable too, so we need to be counting our pennies these days. So thank you, and keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.